This setting will block hackers on your phone by blocking the installation of apps from unknown sources, which will help you avoid installing unwanted apps, block spy apps, or encountering malware on your Android phone. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Load the Settings app. Scroll down to Security and Privacy. Scroll down to More Security Settings. Click on Install Unknown Apps. Android devices have a default security feature that does not allow users to install apps from outside the Play Store. Considering the fact that there are plenty of apps that are not available on Play Store, you may want to disable this feature. Click on Deny All. By disabling this feature, you have prevented access to your phone by malicious third-party apps. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.